So from a marketplace perspective, the reason why merchants want to create a marketplace is they want to offer more product assortment to their end customers, but they don't want to go ahead and go out and buy, warehouse, and ship products themselves. What they could do is stand up their own marketplace. They could onboard external third-party sellers, have those sellers onboard or propose products for the particular marketplace. And then when customers purchase from those sellers, in this case, VTEX will take, through our distributed order management system, we'll take orders, we'll split orders, and then we'll route orders to the appropriate third parties for fulfillment. As you can see here from this architecture, from a marketplace perspective, we can onboard external sellers, the larger ones directly to the commerce platform that they're currently running or their ERP system. However, more of the smaller sellers, mom and pop sellers, who we can't connect to their systems, we can always, we're going to stand up what we call a seller portal, and that's a business tooling in which that particular seller can manage their business on the marketplace. That includes managing their logistics, their catalog of the products that they want to propose, the pricing, the inventory for those products, and finally, they can also take orders from the marketplace as well. So this is what our VTEX administration tools. You'll see that I'm in, again, this is all native within VTEX. Here's our marketplace section. I'm in the seller management area here. As you can see here, what this is a list of are all the different sellers that are part of this particular marketplace. So as it's part of the seller onboarding team from a marketplace perspective, that function is used to seek and approve sellers that can participate on the marketplace. Let's say after that process, we've identified a particular seller that we want to allow on our marketplace. We could go to an area here called seller invite. As you can see here, this is a workflow of all the different sellers that are currently in process of being onboarded as part of the marketplace. So let's say we wanted to invite a new seller. I could go ahead and click on the invite seller button there. Here's the name of the seller, the email of the seller. What type of seller are they? A regular one, or do you want to make this what we call a white label seller? And it's more for a different type of a model for channel management. I could also decide if I want to share my product catalog with that seller as well. So in this scenario, maybe you're going to allow an external seller to create offers on your existing catalog, or you could allow your sellers to propose new products as well. So I'm going to go ahead and send out this invite. Now I'm going to go over to my email account, refresh. Here it comes. As you can see here, you've been invited to sell on the VTEX marketplace. And now as the potential seller, I could go ahead and start creating my account. So once I create this account, I'm just going to go follow the directions. My name, demo seller. Here's my potential. There's the name of my account that's going to actually get created. I'm going to go ahead and put in my EIN number, my zip code of where I'm located. And now I'm going to agree to the terms. And now I could go ahead and create this account. Now what this is doing is, since I filled out that information, now VTEX is automatically going to start provisioning a brand new account for that seller to manage their business on. And now once I've done that, you'll see here, I can start logging in. I have access since I have a master account here. And now this is what we call a seller portal. So as you can see here, it's different than the the admin tooling that I just showed you. That was for the operators. This is more for the, again, the seller, but it has its own dashboard. This is where they can manage orders. They can manage their catalog, pricing, and inventory. They can manage logistics for when they do shipping. And they also have their own dashboard as well.